Menteri ki kampo yang jong ka sarkar jalla uba lakaman Rymbui habekan bekila bathai khobon matakasi ka atarik urmang arajar arpuar ulong baki dan haduk khandai spa Tylli ki Kam Pulit ya ki ba pala mathong haduk mentah badin kada ka don ka jing senjara ka jing kam jung ki Pulit barki brio ki basniu ka makam kam thibam ki alat mane ki kam sni honang ba shlo ulong bakadaw ka jing ngla mathong yen ki Pulit ka de namar ka jing wan jung kham COVID-19 haka bala pasange i bun ki kam ba kom ju uru kala penwet ya ka kam jak sarkar panman uba Rymbui ulo ong ba ki Pulit ki la tre sistem kat bala na kam daban kem ya ki brio ki badan ti ha ki kam sniu ba ya kanir ulo ong ru ba kini ki khandai spangot ki Pulit sian ka sarkar ka sathungno namara de pemra ya ki lemba ki la pathai khobor ba kesak simno ru ya ki interview khana wala pendap no ya ki post ki barang lain.
We have our own constraint as the police department. We have own constraint. Constraint in the sense that due to this COVID situation, more than 900 posts which is lying vacant, which already advertised by the department but could not conduct. But we will try to finish the process of recruitment within this month only. Number two, besides these 900 odd posts, there are another 14 posts which lying vacant. And also, as you are aware, that this MPSC has also conduct for the MPS exam. So the process is on. Due to the shortage of manpower, so there is some constraint. But having said that, the police department is fully equipped to handle. But as I said, policing is not only one-day affair. Policing is a constant monitoring, and we have to keep up with the whatever happening around us.